Need to quickly add money to your Cash App balance from your debit card? Funding your Cash App account directly from your debit card is a fast way to get ready for sending payments. In this guide, I'll show you how to add money from your debit card to Cash App. To add money, open the Cash App on your smartphone. Tap the Banking tab, which looks like a house or a bank icon, usually at the bottom left. Look for the Add Cash button. Tap it. You'll then enter the amount you wish to add. Cash App will use your linked debit card as the source of funds. If you haven't linked a debit card yet, you'll be prompted to do so by entering its details. Finally, confirm the transaction. Funds added from a debit card to Cash App are usually instant, making them immediately available in your Cash App balance. And there you have it. Adding money from a debit card to Cash App is fast and convenient. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.